If your on-screen floating or screen overlay application isn't working correctly on your Android phone, follow the steps to troubleshoot the issue. You need to first go ahead and restart your phone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary app and screen overlay problems as well. And also check the app permissions. You need to go ahead and open your settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, you can go ahead and search for any application that you have problem on. In this example, I'm going to use the Cam Scanner application. Go ahead and select any application that you prefer. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache. Also click on clear data, but this will remove all the file settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Then go to the permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the necessary permissions for the application. Then after, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and here select Special Access. From the list that appears, you need to turn on Allow Display over other apps. Also check the app's battery settings. If available, you can allow the app to run normally in the background to prevent battery saver from restricting it. And clearing the cache removes temporary files without deleting your app data. Also check your Google Play Store for any available updates and ensure that your Android operating system is also up to date. And if all fails, you can uninstall the application that's not working and then reinstall it on your device. You can tap and hold on to any app, then click on uninstall, select uninstall again to confirm, and you'll be done. But remember to back up any important data stored within the application. This step should definitely help you fix the issues with on-screen or floating apps on your Android phone. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.